Welcome to the introduction lesson of these practical ChatGPT in procurement lessons. Before we dive into this module, I want to explain how they've been built up. And in case you haven't watched the previous modules, I would recommend to start there first. Now, let's get started. So first, I want to give you some context and background of the cases we will use. In all of the following lessons, we will discuss the case of Alex Rivera. He is a senior procurement specialist and he works at the company Green Tech Innovations. It's a mid-sized company specializing in eco-friendly technology solutions, including solar panels, wind turbines, and energy-efficient home appliances. Green Tech Innovations is committed to sustainable and ethical business practices. They're located in San Francisco, California, and here's the scenario. Alex is tasked with leading a project to source new suppliers for raw materials needed for a new line of energy-efficient home appliances. The project's goal includes finding suppliers that not only offer competitive prices, but also follow strict environmental and ethical standards. Additionally, Alex is responsible for negotiating contracts, ensuring legal compliance, and integrating procurement data with the existing company tools for ongoing analysis. And you can download the input for the lessons below this lesson, but we'll get to that in a bit. So, as you've seen in the previous lessons, the more details you're able to give into your prompt, the better. We prepared some extra materials we will use throughout the following lessons. It is all tailored to the case of Alex, the senior procurement specialist. So, we will use a couple of files. The first one is selection criteria of the products and the raw materials he's sourcing, RFP information, negotiation objectives, sensitive data guidelines, and a file we can use to test removing sensitive information, and supplier performance data. So, a question we get asked a lot, should I use the free or the paid version of ChatGPT? Well, in our opinion, you should definitely pay the $20 to get the paid version of ChatGPT. And here are the 5 reasons why. It gives you better answers as it uses the newest GPT model. You can upload files, which is actually necessary for most of the lessons you will see. It is always available, even if there are many people using it at the same time. You can use custom GPTs, and you get faster replies, which in the end will save you a lot of time. Before we get started, I want to share my thoughts on how we go about recording these lessons. Our initial idea was to record our screen while using ChatGPT. And although the idea seemed great, it did bring a couple of challenges. First of all, ChatGPT sometimes takes some time to load. Second, it makes the quality of the video lower than we wanted. We solved these problems by preparing the ChatGPT conversations in advance and showing them to you in slides, which we will record. It is a little bit of extra work here, but we do hope that this will give you a much better experience. Let us know below if you liked it. Now, let's get started. In the next lessons, we will show you how you can use ChatGPT to become a better procurement professional. Let's get to working. I'll see you there.